A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Let us begin the last part of chapter 6, factors and multiples. Today you will study about the divisibility rules. They will tell you how to check whether a number is divisible by given number or not. So I will request you all to write all the divisibility rules in your notebooks. A number is said to be divisible. A number is said to be exactly divisible by another number if the remainder is 0. This do you all know? There are certain rules which tell us whether a number is divisible by another or not without performing actual division. So you all know how to do divisions and all. But here you will study some rules which will help you in knowing whether a number is divisible without doing the calculations. So first let us see the divisibility rule by 2. For 2 it is very easy. A number is divisible by 2 if its units place is either 0 or multiple of 2. In other words, a number is divisible by 2 if the digits at one's place is an even number, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 6 is not here, 6 should also come. Okay, so how to tell whether a number is divisible by 2 or not? For example, you look here 3, 4, 6. So you have 6 at one's place, isn't it? So yes, it is divisible by 2. If here you see 3, 8, 1, 8, what is the number at one's place? 8. So 8 is also divisible by 2. 1, 4, 6, 2, 6. 6 again is divisible by 2. Same way 0 is divisible by 2. 4 divisible by 2. 1, 2, 5, 2 is also divisible by 2. Fine. So all these numbers are divisible by 2 because their units place is a multiple of 2. Only this you have to remember. Units place means the very first digit from the back should be 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Now let us see the divisibility rule by 3. A number is said to be divisible by 3 if the sum of digits is a multiple of 3. Sum of digit means, let us take for example a number as 79851 and they are asking you to tell whether it is divisible by 3 or not. What you will do? You will add all the digits, 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 5 plus 1, and what you are getting? 30. So is 30 divisible by 3? Yes, 30 is divisible by 3 because 3 tens are 30. So the number 79851 is also divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digits in tens and units place is divisible by 4. Okay, so please see example. So they are talking about the last two digits from the back. For example, if we are taking the number 88312, what you will see? The last two digits are what? 1 and 2, 12. 12 is divisible by 4. Yes, 4 threes are 12. So the number is divisible by 2. See how nice it is to tell whether a number is divisible by 4 or not without doing the actual calculations. Okay, divisibility by 5, I hope you all must be knowing only. For a number to be divisible by 5, it should have a 0 or 5 at its units place. If you remember the table of 5, we have 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. So if you see, all the digits at the units place are either 5 or 0. For example, 75325, the number at the units place is 5. So yes, it is divisible by 5. Now, divisibility rule of 6 is quite important because it consists of two rules. It will tell you the number should be divisible by 2 also and by 3 also. So let us see. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So for a number to be divisible by 6, you have to see whether it is divisible by 2 and 3 both or not. Let us consider one example, 85806. So we have a 6 at the unit space. Is 6 divisible by 2? Yes. So it is, the number is divisible by 2. Now let us see whether it is divisible by 3 or not. We will add all the digits. 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 0 plus 6, that is 27, and 27 is divisible by 3. So I will say yes, my digit is divisible by 6. Divisibility by 8. This is quite similar to divisibility by 4. For divisibility by 4, we were checking last two digits, isn't it? Now for divisibility by 8, you have to see last three digits are divisible by 8 or not. For example, let us take a number as 54136. So the last three digits are 136. You will divide 136 by 8. If the remainder is 0, then you will say yes, the number is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9 is very easy. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Exactly like 3, if the sum of digit was divisible by 3, the number was divisible by 3. Same way, if the sum of digits for 9 is divisible by 9, that is a number. So let us take one example. 3888 is divisible by 9 because when you will add all of them, 3 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 27 and 9 threes are 27 and the remainder is 0. So yes, the number is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10, I hope you all know divisible by 10 is very easy. The last digit should have a 0 in it. So see the numbers I have taken as examples. 80, 0 is at the last. So yes, divisible by 10. 210, yes. 790, yes. 9990, yes. 1000, yes. Such a big number with a 0 at the last, yes. So all the numbers should end with a 0. So here is a small table to help you in revising the rules. Divisibility by 2, last digit should be 2460, 2468. For divisibility by 3, sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. You will add all the digits and then you will see whether it is divisible by 3 or not. For 4, last two digits should be divisible by 4. For 5, last digit should be 0 or 5. For 6, the number should be divisible by 2 also and by 3 also. If a number is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3, it is not divisible by 6. Okay. It should follow the rule for 2 and 3 both. For 8, the last three digits should be divisible by 8. For 9, simple, sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. And for 10, last digit should be 0. So this is your exercise 6 of page 45 from your textbook. The first table they have given, using divisibility rules, check the divisibility of the following numbers. So we are only using the rules. We are not going to divide them and check. The first number is 7390. So the last digit is 0. So yes, it is divisible by 2. For 3, you should add them. 7 plus 3 plus 9 plus 0. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 is not divisible by 3. So it is a no. Last two digits should be divisible by 4. 90, when you will check, it is not divisible by 4. So it is a no. Last digit is 0. So divisible by yes. Divisible by 5. Now for divisibility by 6, both here 2 and 3 should be yes. Now here 2 is yes and 3 is no. So it is a no. For 9, when you add them, it should be divisible by 9. But when I added, we are getting 19. So it is not divisible. Now for 10, last digit is 0. So yes, it is divisible. Same way, I have written answers for 2 more digits and 2 are left for you to do as homework. Kindly complete the table and submit your homeworks. Let us see one more question of the same exercise. Test the divisibility of the following number by 8. So what was the rule? For 8, last 3 digits should be divisible by 4. Now last 3 digits are 4, 1, 3. Let us divide them with 8. 8 5s are 40. So what is left is a 1. And I will copy the next digit, that is 3. Now 8 1s are 8. What is left is 5. Now remainder is not 0. So you will say that 7413 is not divisible by 8. That was all for today, my dear children. I hope you will enjoy your class, and your homework is from the same exercise, page 45. You have to complete the remaining table as I have already told you, and from question number 2 you have to do A, C and D only. Other divisibility rules like of 7, 11 and 18 we will study in class 6. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.